On today's episode,
this makes me want to make babies right now.
Yeah, this is the difference between 11 and 19.
Karissa.
Boom. Literally stuck on the curb. I am literally stuck on the curb. Need to just throw a couple curls in it. On the drive.
Hi guys.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, right. Yeah, right.
I did!
Yeah.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. My husband leaves a mess
Where?
every single morning. He doesn't even clean out the Tupperware.
Where?
Also, he likes to keep it literally 58 degrees in here.
Karissa, that is called suds.
You call...
That's you planted that there.
I did not. You left the peanut butter in there. Anyway. This is how our mornings go. He drags me out of bed after he kept me up all night snoring. Took these pics this morning. This was 11 weeks the last time I took it, and then I traveled out to Iowa to see Sam, and that Iowa trip turned into living full-time in an RV. And I didn't have my Polaroid with me. I just went back to Arizona and got it, and then I've been back here for like 2 weeks, and this is the first time I've taken a picture. But yeah, this is the difference between 11 and 19. My belly is starting to pop. And then I made myself a coffee. I got a little frisky this morning, a little fancy. I put a little cinnamon on top.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slow.
Boom. And she's done. There's just something about doing makeup makes me feel so much better about myself. And I rarely do it, but when I do it, I've been trying a little harder these days, you know? Mama gotta look good. Okay, anyways, I don't have setting powder, so it's a sad day. I also blow dried my hair, so I need to just throw a couple curls in it, like big bouncy ones or something. And this is the finished look. It's what I've been doing for like a month or two now. I feel like I've been doing the same makeup look. I did get a couple new products that I tried today, which I like, but like the techniques and like the same, it's kind of the same situation. But I'm kind of just finding all of my favorite products. Ow, I just dropped that. I said ow. It's literally like, yeah, here's the makeup. Honestly, so minimal, but I like it. I just do a little outer lash too. Okay, so I need to get dressed and get going and be productive today. I really can't explain, but yeah. Basically, I have like an hour. Is this foggy? Hello? Oh, basically, I have an hour-long drive and I somehow need to soak off my nails, so why not do it on the drive in style? What have I done? I'm about to go on the curb! Literally stuck on the curb. I am literally stuck on the curb. Oh my gosh. Jesus, take my wheel. I was literally on the curb. But we Gucci now. The girl in front of me is like looking at me through her windshield, her rearview mirror thing, whatever it's called. Hi, how are ya? Yes, I'm driving my husband's truck and I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm putting you guys down there. I'm so thirsty. Like, what is going on? What is taking so long? You already know. Green tea. What is this, Starbucks? I know you're trying to save the planet, and I respect you for it, but please. I'm very guilty. I am a straw lover. At home, glass straws all the way. Even like stainless steel straws, metal straws, all the way. I can't get down with the paper straw. I just can't. And I know that these companies don't have the funds. I mean, Starbucks probably does, let's be honest, to be giving out glass straws to all of their customers, but I'm gonna give it one chance because this seems like a very heavy duty straw. In their defense, like it's a heavy duty paper straw. It's heavier dutier than anything that I've ever tried. But if it disappoints, So far, it's not bad. That's so tasty. Oh my gosh, I am living! Why are all my vlogs shopping when I'm literally trying to save my money and have a baby on the way? I need to do an update for you guys. Starbucks paper straws are the superior paper straw. I mean, they do everything superior, so I don't know why I was ever doubting them in the first place, but their paper straws don't get soggy. Like, I'm all about saving the planet, just not at a soggy expense. Okay, let me stand. Went to Home Goods. I always end up getting those random things from Home Goods, other than like Home Goods, and I found these mother suckers. Just listen to the ASMR. Are you ready? Do you hear that ASMR? They're so good. Like, they know what crunch is. You guys, just waking up. I got out of the shower. Some packages to unbox. Literally like a week away from halfway done being pregnant. It does not feel real. I already opened these 2 packages from Bloom Nutrition because I had to use this morning. You just don't feel the same. You just don't feel your most poppin' if you don't get your greens in. So Bloom Nutrition, greens and superfoods. It helps with digestion, bloating, and immunity. And honestly, it gives me like matcha vibes. I put it in a vanilla protein shake and it's so good. They sent over the cutest bottle. I already opened it. Ooh, are you ready? Pop. It is gorgeous. I'm obsessed with this. I really want to completely deck out my fridge, make it super organized, Pinterest goals, putting glass bottles with fruit in it and having it for the week with your water to infuse the water. Number 1 will make me drink so much more water. Number 2, it's so aesthetic and a vibe. And number 3, it's just exactly everything that I want in my life. Oh. Okay, I'm so excited. My absolute favorite lashes that I've been wearing and I've been getting questions on is from this company called Estate, and they also have cute eyeshadow palettes that I've tried, and I think that's all I've tried from them so far. So far so good. They sent me 3 of their PR packages. Oh, cute. Thirst quenching lippies. Huh? Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm so excited to try these. And look at the packaging. It's like watermelon and super cute. I love. Oh my gosh, I have to turn you guys around to see Pickle. He's being so cute right now. Mama, you like your mama. Anyone else like genuinely as obsessed with their dog as me, because it's probably a problem. Spacebound highlighters and illuminators, and they sent 3 over here. Blast Off, Eclipse, and Lunar. And I'm not kidding, guys, genuinely, like, this isn't sponsored or anything. I'm obsessed with their lashes. Okay, what else? Eyeshadow quads. Cute! We have it in Peach Punch, Mare Babe, Foxtrot, and On Wednesdays. So I have new eyeshadows, highlighters, and lip juices. Yay! Gosh, you guys are not ready for this. This is literally the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my whole life. Oh my goodness. The talent in this. Where am I gonna put it? Living in an RV? I don't know. Oh my gosh. Well, this will be like perfect whenever we have a house one day. Oh my gosh. Like, I'm out of breath. This is gorgeous. Okay, so I had this girl reach out to me on Insta, and I feel terrible. Again, this was sent to my Louisiana apartment, and we got our RV. I was living in Arizona. I haven't been to Louisiana in months. And this was delivered there, and I should have known better. I should have given her a different address, but I feel so bad. I'm just now getting it, and I'm pretty sure she sent it like a month ago. But oh my goodness, I literally can't. This is so stunning. Okay, are you guys ready to see it? So this girl reached out to me on Instagram asking if she could hand paint a portrait of me and Sam on our wedding day, and I was like, yes. So talented, I'm shook. Are you guys ready? This makes me want to make babies right now. Oh my goodness. Ready? 1, 2, 3. It is so gorgeous. I don't know if you guys can see in the camera with the plastic glare, but I don't want to take it off. I want it to stay protected, but oh my gosh. This, I'm gonna show him. Like, it's so good. I don't even have to say anything. It is incredible.
Please.
2, 3. That is hand painted.
It literally looks just like you and me.
Isn't it so good?
She hand painted this?
Yeah.
You guys, my dad, I'm pranking him to show him that I painted this. Pickle, chill out. Wait, I have to get your raw reaction. Are you ready?
Hi guys.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, right. Yeah, right.
I did!
Yeah, you might.
I painted it!
You couldn't paint. You couldn't paint.
But how freaking good is that? And she put in a frame too.
Holy cow! Who did this?
This girl on Instagram that reached out to me.
No way. That's perfect.
Like look at the fade of the hair.
I don't think it's.
No, it's hand painted. Wow. She has a whole Instagram where she does this.
Hi, big guy. Oh my god. That's really good.
I did so good.
No.
Yes, I did.
had so many options.
I'm done.
I just know how to play. I can't.
I'm going to pack my bags for Arizona. I have a trip tomorrow. Not in 20 minutes. I'm not rushing around late. It's the day before my trip. And I felt inspired to get all my packing done today. I know. I don't know myself anymore either. So I'm going to Arizona for a doctor's appointment that I have on the 29th. And it's like my halfway mark anatomy scan, so I get to see baby in an ultrasound, and I'm so excited. I've not seen her since she was 9 weeks. So she was like, yeek, a little sac, gestational sac. And now she's gonna be a freaking fetus, and I'm so excited to see her. But yeah, we'll vlog whenever we're in Arizona. They don't really let me vlog my ultrasound, but we'll see what I can do. I am bringing a big suitcase when I probably wouldn't need one, but I have some packages in Arizona. I have some things I want to bring back. I'm gonna pack with some extra ample room just in case. Some dresses to show off the bump. This is cute. She is cute. Bring her. What are my plans when I'm there other than my appointment? I honestly don't think anything. The only thing I can think of is church, pool, chill. Definitely need these. These little jumpsuit rompers are everything when you're pregnant. Take this. Probably won't need it, but I would need leggings and t-shirts and cover-ups. I don't know. Gym sneaks and sandals. You have to roll your clothes.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night.
Really, the only things I'm packing are dresses and workout sets because that's all I wear.
Trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes.
Okay, we also need some sports bras and workout sets. And you, and you, and you, you, and you, you. And this. Oops, this drawer's not organized. I'm gonna bring these and this. I'm gonna bring these. Try to fit into these. I think that's good.
I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. I feel like the ocean.
And we have so much room, obviously. I need to go get like underwear, bras, and socks. Stuff this up, and toiletries. By the way, my nails, you guys haven't even seen them yet. So these are literally glue-on nails that I did by myself. Hello? Okay, underwear, bras, bathing suits, all that good stuff is in here. I need to get my socks still, and I'm also gonna bring this hat. Oh, and I'm packing this suntan lotion also. I also want to pick out some things from Sam's side of the closet because, you know, I'm just taking these two things. You won't even notice. Plain white Nike tee and a like cover-up shirt. I need to pack my toiletries, but first I need to go through them because they are so unorganized and I'm only bringing literally what I will use.
Getting me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down.
Okay, we condensed the makeup bag so good. I am so proud. I have some extra toiletries, like a hair clip. We have the under eye patches, of course. I got some scrunchies, some lotion, perfume, and my curling wand. And then, of course, we have like toothbrush, toothpaste, all that stuff, makeup wipes, but those I'm not going to pack today because I'm gonna need them tomorrow morning. So I'll definitely just wear these leggings again tomorrow. I literally wear them like 3 times a week with the matching bra. Do the Air Forces and we'll do that cover up. I'm gonna keep my makeup on top so I can access it tomorrow. Done. Oh, I need to pack a mask. Well, actually, we should keep this out in my carry-on. And then for packing for Pickle, Gim already has the treats and the food and all that there. I'm gonna brush him tonight. I have his sweater, crate, his blanket is already all together, his leash, and that's it. So yeah, I'm not worried about like shampoo, conditioner, all that stuff. My mom has all that, so it's just me, this little bit of stuff, and the bump. I can't wait for my appointment. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm gonna pack my carry-on now. This is what I'm putting in it. I'm gonna bring a book, my Dear Baby book. This is like the journal I write to my baby in. I'll have it linked down below. Laptop and charger. I have my content book and like another notebook, and then my Bible. Packing a hat and a mask. My purse, my ID, and all that good stuff in there. These need to go in my suitcase actually. This charger here, so it charging my phone and also my camera batteries and some chapstick. Front pocket, I just have some pens and highlighters. Karissa! Ready for tomorrow. So we're making a Chinese night. So we have veggie egg rolls. I'm using this chicken, Mandarin Orange by Gardein, and then Sam has a honey chicken. Then we have some broccoli going, some white rice. Super easy, super fast.
I was going to shut my office door, that's all I care. But, what was I going to say? Oh, that partition, it goes there. And it goes down left. And it works.
Right.
Also, before I close out today's vlog, I just need to give another shout out. It's going to be linked down below. Check it out. Use my discount code KNH20 for 20% off. That's seriously such a good deal. This is the perfect gift. Holidays are coming up for any birthday, any anniversary. This is seriously amazing. I love when I look at this picture, it just tells a story and I just remember this moment so specifically. And it just is so special to have a moment like this that you can keep forever, that was hand painted. It's like the most special gift ever. So make sure you guys check it out down below, linked with a discount code. All right guys, we just finished dinner. I'm about to go take my makeup off and shower and get ready for bed. I'm gonna end the vlog here and I'll pick it up tomorrow whenever I am heading into Arizona. I love you guys tons a milli, Billy, Trilly, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!